Welcome to this tutorial on managing your leads effectively. In this video, we'll walk you through how to view, edit, filter, and manage leads in your system to streamline your sales process. The Leads page presents all your active leads in a structured manner. Here, you can monitor lead status, project type, and assigned team members at a glance. Use the search bar to locate a specific lead quickly. You can also filter by project type, lead stage, lead source, assignee, or date. To edit a lead, click on the lead's name to enter edit mode. Here, you can modify lead-specific details such as contact information, project details, and any additional notes. Once you've made the necessary updates, click Save to apply the changes. Within the leads list, you'll find several key details for each lead, including lead name, displays the name of the lead. Stage, categorizes each lead by a specific stage, enabling easy status monitoring and next action identification. You can adjust the stage by clicking the drop-down menu. Stages include new, connected, proposal sent, meeting scheduled. Project type indicates the project type upon lead creation. Lead source reflects the source of the lead. Assigned shows the name of the team member designated as the lead manager. Lead created displays the date when the lead was created. Project area provides information about the project area. If you need to pause a lead temporarily, use the snooze option. Choose a duration, provide a reason, and confirm. The lead will now move to the snoozed list. To reactivate a snoozed lead, go to the Snoozed Leads section. Click Make Active, provide a reason, and confirm. The lead will return to the active list. To archive a lead, select the lead, click Archive, and provide a reason. The lead will be removed from the active list and moved to the archive. If you need to restore an archived lead, go to the Archived Leads section. Click Undo, provide a reason, and confirm. The lead will move back to active status. To filter leads, select the appropriate category, choose your criteria, and click Apply. This helps narrow down leads based on specific details. You can also view all won and lost leads separately to track your conversions and identify areas for improvement. And that's it. You now know how to manage, track, and organize leads efficiently. Keep your leads updated, use filters to sort them, and take action to close more deals.